Hello, I am Taha Muhammad, USA Kurt. Okay, what's going on, Taha? Congratulations, Math Society, Math World, everybody, that I am solving Collatz in third way. Way number 3. What Collatz solution? Only one page. Okay, how? Let me look at it. Okay. I hope you see everything here. Okay. Collatz sequence proof, third way. Okay, this Collatz sequence proof third way. Abstract, you know, as when n is even, divide by 2, and odd, multiply by 3 plus 1. When you repeat that, you will get every number goes to stop at 1. And loop will be 4, 2, 1. Okay. And how you prove that? Let Collatz sequence of n Sn, and let the loop of Collatz is Lsn. When you see those, you know, S, it means sequence, Ls, it means loop. Okay, look at this fact. I told A, B, C, W are integers. When you have a sequence n equals A, B, C, after n is odd, of course, you will multiply by 3 plus 1. If it is even, divide by 2. Use this rule. Suppose you got those elements, A, B, C, and W. We don't know what are those now yet. Okay. When you see if and only if the loop of n equal loop of A and loop of B and C and W. See? Is that clear? I named this one fact 1. Fact 1. This fact 1 discovered by me. Then I have a copyright. This is mine. When we have a sequence for any number, then the loop of any integer in both sides, see, and integer and A, B, C, W integers, loop each one equal the loop of the next third, like that. We told fact 1, discovered by me. Let go. Sequence 1 is how much? Multiply 3 by 1 plus 1. Okay, you got this. Loop is 4 to 1. What about 2? Same. 3. We got 4 to 1. 4. We got 4 to 1. 5. Multiply by 3. 15 and 1. 16. Divide. You got loop of 5 is 4 to 1. Okay? If I go trillion, should be same. But before trillion, we don't know this R what. If sequence of R is very big number, I cannot tell you trillion, maybe more, less, or double. Okay, huge number R anyway. And this R for me, unknown. Even or odd. If it is even, divide by 2. Odd, multiply by 3 plus 1. Then I assume it. R also has a loop 4 to 1. See? Loop of R equal 4 to 1. We assume that. What about next step? When R is, now, when R is odd, do you see that? R is what? Odd. When R is odd, it means R plus 1 will be even, divide by 2. Here I am telling loop of n is 4 to 1, depend on those, from 1 to R, equals 4 to 1, and for all n, what kind n? Belong not to natural numbers, no, belong to Z. What is Z? Z are those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 R. Do you see that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 R. But before R, because r is odd and more than 1, odd like 3. Okay, 3 plus 1 is 4. Divide 2 is 2. See, 2 before 3. Like that. Did you get it? That Z set, each one has a loop 4 to 1. Okay. Now, let me prove the next step. What about r plus 1? What will happen? Okay. Is loop r plus 1 equal 4 to 1? I told part A. Okay. See what will happen. Part A. Let me make sure I was here. Did you see this? I think, yeah, okay. Now I am raising this up and I have I need to know r plus 1 equal that, and I did tell r plus 1 is even. Okay, r plus 1 is even. Good. When it's even, you go divide by 2. Divide by 2. See, s r plus 1 is even, divide by 2. And use the rule of Collatz. Goes where? We don't know yet. But come to fact, when sequence, you know the set, each element, both sides, r plus 1, the loop equal the loop of r plus 1 over 2. This is equation 1, I name it. And this equation 1 came by fact 1. Okay. Then, r plus 1 over 2 is belong to z. You see that? R plus 1 over 2 belong to the z. Anything inside z will give you loop 4 to 1. Okay. Now, I am going to substitute in equation 1. This equation 1. R plus 1 over 2, the loop is 4 to 1, equal to this one, r plus 1. That means the loop of r plus 1, same, 4 to 1 by substituting equation 1. Okay. That means I told the r plus 1 is even. Then any number in natural number is even, the loop should be 4 to 1. Okay. Now I am coming to study the odd, because here I told r plus 1 is even. What about r plus 1 is odd? Okay, odd. Multiply by 2, I got even. Okay, I am asking now, loop of that even is what? The loop of this even is what? I know. Any even, I know the loop is 4 to 1. Don't use sequence. No need for sequence. Any loop for any even number, even integer, is 4 to 1. Okay. Then I create equation 1. How? Let me see. Or create sequence. Sequence of 2r plus 1, this is even, divide by 2 became r plus 1. And I know any even is goes to 4 to 1, as I told you here. See? Okay, now substitute. Or create equation 1 now. Equation 2. How? Since those two are equals, then the loop should be equal to, for each element, see, loop of twice r plus 1, same as loop of r plus 1, equation 2 by fact 1. Okay, I know this is even, and I define the result as 4 to 1. Substitute in equation 2. Second side will be equal to that. Then I have right to tell, okay, for any n odd, the loop is 4 to 1. And use LSN using part A and part B. Tell, okay, equal 4 to 1. N is odd or n is even is 4 to 1. For all n natural number by part A and part B. I hope you are seeing the bottom also. Yeah, okay, sure. Okay, everybody, let me bring my picture and tell you see how I solve it. I started with even and divided by 2. The r plus 1 was, yeah, I used z. Yeah, I do not need to confuse you again because already you saw the solution. You can repeat it, okay? And please, Math Society, again, at least one professor or two tell your university to invite me. I will not charge you anything, just I come for 15-20 minutes. I describe this one page, collect the solution in third way. I have in 2 ways. I have first way a little longer, like 10 pages or 9 pages. Yeah, 3 ways are correct 100%, and I have copyright at Cambridge Opening Gates. Look, Cambridge Opening Gates. You see that, Cambridge Opening Gates? Let me move this computer like that. Okay. Then tell him, welcome Taha. And you have more than 2,000 looked at it, and more than 600 they downloaded, and nobody told me you have a wrong. Which one this? Collatz, Euler, and Fermat's last theorem, and general case too. Okay. And I will put this in my YouTube. And this is me, Taha Muhammad, and this one was the solution. Again, maybe I do not like just you take picture of it, maybe, and study it. Other half of page, other part of the page is this. Okay. And God bless all of you. Please, professors, math professors, would you help me how? Tell university, let Taha comes, present his solution for us, 15-20 minutes, 1 hour, and we drink coffee. I will pay for a coffee, is okay. I will buy coffee for university, that's okay for I don't know how many people. But no, I can't. It's a shame I pay for your coffee. No. When I come there, I am a visitor. Maybe you can give me one small cup of coffee, in order to describe for you what? Collatz sequence. Then you do what? Tell Taha you are right. When I am right, I go to a lawyer, then give him my solution, and he will fly to where? Japan. Already I sent my book at Amazon.com, contains solutions, to director of Baku H, Tokyo, Japan, telling I will give you Taha 120 million Japanese yen. I am sure you will be happy for me. You know why? Please don't worry, it's okay. Money is not nothing, just my salary is little. $270 my pension on teacher retired in Minnesota. Okay, I am honest. Go ask Minnesota Teacher Association. or Teacher Retirement Association in Minnesota. Ask them, Taha, M. Muhammad's pension, how much? They will tell you. This year raised $3, became $270. Thanks God. Okay, please. I do not have friend 100% professors. No, I do not have friend. I am 81, and when I graduated master's degree, University of Grand Forks at 1995, those people are retired. No any more teachers there. I am in Minnesota, and Grand Forks is very far away. If they allowed me my university to go, why not? I told them. They didn't respond to present. When I present, then they will tell me, Taha, your solution is good. Maybe they will help me to approve it. But I am asking in general, Sweden, Germany, America, Europe, please, anywhere. Just anywhere, any country, please invite me, university, tell Taha, come present your Collatz solutions. Not I have the Collatz. Collatz 3 ways, Euler 2 ways, Fermat, last term, and Fermat general case. And what do you need else? And I have cubic root by hand, like square root of 3,650,3359. I can do it by hand. The cubic root for any real number. Okay, but now I am talking about Collatz sequence. I solve it in third way. This one, in third way. Do you see third way? Okay. See, this is many times I told you, God bless you, and bye-bye.